Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel today. In this video, let's learn about how to invite friends on 1xBet. So let's get started for that. Let's get into any browser, and we need to search for 1xBet, and we get into this interface. Make sure you are logged into it afterwards. We need to go to this profile interface and simply scroll down, and over here, we can see this invite friends option. Simply tap on that. Now we need to accept the terms and conditions, and simply click on terms and conditions over here. Now scroll down. We need to know all of the details here, and click on Take Part. Now we need to fill in the details here. Now make sure you fill all of your details here, and simply click on Edit. If you want to edit any of this, once you're done, simply click on Save. And we need to confirm to this confirmation process, and simply agree to the terms and conditions. Click on Take Part. And we need to simply see this link to our friend, so that he can continue with this process. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.